I'm here with my MyMini Skillet and Noodle cooker, and I'm just using the skillet part right now, and I'd like to see if we can make a fried egg with it. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I just plugged in this appliance. I actually have it plugged into my EcoFlow River Pro portable power bank, and it is currently pulling 255 watts. I'm going to add a little bit of butter to the bottom of the pan. And now let's crack an egg in here. That looks really good, so let's see if we could flip it. I'm just going to let this cook for maybe a minute on the other side. I think that's good. This is what the egg looks like. But I would like to eat the egg on a piece of toast or at least a piece of fried bread. So let's see if I could fit a piece of bread in here. I have a piece of homemade whole grain bread, and look at that. Look at that. It's a perfect fit. So I baked this in an 8-inch by 4-inch bread pan, which is a little bit on the smaller side, but I had one because it fits in my Rode Pro portable oven. That's why I had the smaller bread pan. So when I was making the bread, I used a recipe that fit the smaller pan. And it's just a coincidence that it happens to fit this MyMini Skillet. So let's see if we could get a little bit of toasting going on here or a little bit of frying, add some kind of crispiness to this bread. I don't even know if that's possible. It's been a few minutes now, so let's see if anything is going on here. Look at that. There's actually a little bit of toasting going on here. That's so exciting. It's now been a few minutes on the other side. I'm actually getting quite impatient because I'm hungry and I want to eat, and this does take a bit of time. So let's see what's going on here. So there's a little bit of browning on the other side. I could let it go a little bit longer, but like I said, I'm hungry. I really want to eat this now. Here's the portable power bank I'm using. When I started this, it was at 100%. Right now we're at 96%. So we've only used 4% to cook an egg and a piece of toast. The reason why I'm using the portable power bank is because this appliance has such a short cord. It's only like a 2-foot cord, and it makes it very awkward for me to film videos with it because the outlets are a little bit farther away from that. But if I use the portable power bank, it makes it really easy. However, I also know that a lot of people that are traveling or who are living in RVs or vans or cars or something like that do actually cook off of portable power banks. So that's another reason why I like to include that in videos when I can. So let's cut into this and let's see what's going on. Ooh, it's a nice runny yolk. This looks really good. That is absolutely delicious. I did not even add any salt or pepper or ketchup or anything. I really think it's the homemade bread that just really takes this to a new level. Absolutely delicious. So I'm definitely going to enjoy this today, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.